So bear with me. This won't be the most exciting of videos, but it's actually pretty useful information. So everyone already knows that if you have a pair of pants or a jacket that doesn't fit properly, it can easily be adjusted. You know, pant waist can come in or out, sleeves can be lengthened or shortened. That's all easy. But what some guys don't know is that even more damage, like maybe there's a hole in the garment from moths, or maybe you snagged it on something or got in a fight with a cougar. So even that type of damage can be repaired in a lot of situations. So before you cram it in the back of your closet or forget about it, take it to what's called a reweaving shop. You can probably find one in your area, or Google search that or something along those lines. And these reweaving shops, what they do, they actually take material from maybe the inside of the jacket here or underneath the pant cuff, and they use that to reweave the area that's being damaged. So here's some before and after pictures to kind of see what can be accomplished here. And depending on the amount of damage, how many spots that need to be repaired, it might be worth it or it might not, but it's probably at least worth looking into if it's a jacket that's in great condition, other than that one little area that makes it unwearable. So there you go, easy tip. I'll make sure my next video is a little more exciting. I'll be playing with fire or something like that.